Hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video I just wanted to share this idea of, when you're out there doing marketing, if you're in like MLM, affiliate marketing, you're promoting someone else's product. And have you ever had someone ask you, what's that thing you're doing online, what's that product you're promoting, can you send me the link? So have you ever had that question before, and you're like, oh, hold on a minute, I'll go get the link. And you're like, you go and get the link and you copy, say for an example, it's this link here, and you're like, okay, it's https and it's this big long affiliate link, ugly affiliate link that you're like, you're never ever going to be able to remember. So this is why I want to share this with you in this video. So what you want to do, my friend, is create a custom tracking domain that you can track traffic sources from multiple different traffic streams, and then you can see which ones will work and which ones are not. It's easy to remember, and it's really simple as well, my friend. So what we're going to do here is you want to go to Namecheap. So I'll leave the link to Namecheap below. It'll be an affiliate link. If you decide to purchase a domain, it's very inexpensive. I think I'll make a little commission of that there. So what you want to do, and we'll leave that link for Namecheap below, is you want to type in whatever domain you want. You just type in whatever you want. What I typed in was trade for life. So I typed in trade for life, and what came up was trade for .life. So this will be your unique custom tracking link, and you can buy that there for £2.25 per year. And whenever you buy that there, my friend, you'll end up on this part here, which would be like your domain list, and you just go to manage domain, okay? And what you're going to do is, what you can do in this software, I'm going to show you here. If you go, I'm going to leave the link to this software below, and you can get your own account to click tracking software. And if you go to, let's say, help, once you're inside, if you go to help, you go to knowledge base, and you're going to be able to get this little CNAME record that you're going to put into Namecheap. So it points that domain to the Namecheap, that points it to the custom tracking software. So you can see here it says how you can click on custom tracking domains, okay? So when it says here, it will say, how do I set up a custom tracking domain? You want to click on this here, and I'm going to show you how you set it up here right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Namecheap, okay? And you're going to go to your domains, wherever that is. So in here, you're going to go to your domains. You want to go to manage the domain. You want to go to advanced DNS, okay? And then knowledge base, you're going to go down to here, and you're going to want to copy, let's say, it's www. This here link. You want to copy this because it's a tracking link, so it points to target address. Enter this URL here for tracking links, and that's what we're going to be using today. And then you're going to want to go into your advanced DNS settings in your Namecheap account, and you want to go advanced DNS, yeah, and you're going to go to add CNAME record, okay? And whenever you do this here, let's see if it comes up. You're going to go down to here, which says a record, and it might not say CNAME record, so you want to click on add new record, and you want to put in this link that we copied, and you want to put in www, and then you're going to want to save all changes, okay? You want to make sure, it's a CNAME record, okay? You want to change this CNAME record, you want to make sure it's www, and you want to make sure it goes to that link that we just copied from here, and then you just want to save that there, and it's going to take about 24 hours to propagate, to be able to point to this software which we're going to use for the custom tracking. Now once it's connected, you want to go to domain manager, okay, and then you're going to type in your domain. You're going to hit the button here, it said add custom domain, so you're going to put in your domain. So say if it was, let's track trade for .life, okay, so we're going to put in trade for .life, okay, and you're going to want to say this CNAME a record, yeah, and then you want to go add custom domain. Boom, within about 24 hours it should take to propagate before this will start to work on this side. But then when you go add custom domain, you're going to be able to create a link. So we're going to go to these links here a second, and we're going to go to add a new link, okay? So I'm going to show you how simple it is here. We're going to go create link, create new link up here. Okay, it's just taking a wee second. Create new link. We're going to call it, let's say if you're doing network marketing, we're going to call it the network marketing book. Okay, we're going to make sure once this is set up right, you're going to be able to see your custom tracking link here. From my example, it's going to be limitlessfuture.club, and I can call it, let's call it networking. Let's call it network M. So this is where I'm going to put in this affiliate link. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this link. I'm going to go here, I'm going to paste it in here, paste. I'm going to go create link, and boom, just like that there, I can go to this new URL, which will be http://limitlessfuture.club/network M, and this easy to remember link is going to take me to the affiliate link. Instead of ever having to remember what that big long affiliate link is, you're going to make yourself a custom tracking domain, and you're going to be able to redirect that to your affiliate link, and you can do that with multiple links with just the one domain. And this is what I wanted to share with you in this video, my friend, was the importance and the simplicity of setting up a custom tracking domain for your internet marketing, so that you don't have to remember big ugly affiliate links and all that there. Hope you liked this video and you got some value from it. You learned how to be able to set up your own custom tracking domain. And if you like this video, my friend, make sure and hit the like button or leave me a comment below and let me know if you've got any questions or that there, and I'll see you again soon. Have a good day. Peace.